Hi, my name is Michael, and I'm talking about what is a wetland. Yeah, that's our topic. A wetland is a land consisting of marshes, swamps, or saturated land. Wetlands are unique because of its hydric soil. Usually, the soil isn't used for agricultural purposes. The soil is saturated or flooded with water long enough to develop anaerobic conditions. The Pantanal is the best preserved and largest wetland in the world, with combinations of marshlands, floodplains, lagoons, interconnected drainage lines. The latitude of Pantanal Mato Grosso in Brazil is negative 16.35, and the longitude is negative 56.66668. In Pantanal Mato Grosso, Brazil is located at Brazil country in the National Parks Place category with the GPS coordinates of 16 degrees 21 0.0000 south and 56 degrees 40 to 0.0048 west. If that was a bit confusing, latitude and longitude, map reading. Life forms. Wetlands contain all kinds of animals, some of which include alligators, snakes, beavers, swamps, turtles, fish, and birds. They also include many herbivorous plants and trees. Uh, Organism interactions. As any other ecosystem with food chains start with the sunlight, then is followed by producers, primary consumers, and finally predators. And this image here kind of shows you where some of the stuff from wetlands, like specific animal groups. Adaptations. Plants in swamps are always partially submerged in water. In order to breathe and use photosynthesis, they hollow stems that transport oxygen down to the roots, where they can use it to continue to survive. The brackish water also has a lot of salt content that plants need to get rid of with salt glands. Animals need to be quick traveling through water in wetlands, so webbed feet are one common solution, as is waterproof coats, which mammals such as beavers use to keep themselves warm. Many animals in swamps employ camouflage to protect themselves and hunt their prey. Frogs, for example, will often submerge themselves in aquatic plants and leave only their eyes poking out above the water to watch for food. Catfish can walk on land with their fins also, as you can see. This is terrifying. If I was walking and I saw this just on land, let's move on. Okay. Hotspots and endangered species. An example of hotspot wetland is the Okavango Delta. Hotspots are where there are over 1,500 species of plants and have 70% of its species already dead. It is important to protect these locations with abundance of life. Two examples of endangered species within wetlands are the bald eagle and the red fox. Both of these animals act as top predators and help kill the excess of primary consumers who feed off of the plants. Some of the endangered species are listed in the life form slide. This life form slide, it's right over. Oh, back. No. Okay, wait. Technical difficulties. Back. And there we go. All right, these are just two examples. The crocodile. Actually, that's an alligator. Alligator and the bald eagle, which I just mentioned. Sorry for the technical difficulties. And these are our cited sources. Thank you all for listening, and I hope you have a magnificent day. Bye bye.